Welcome to the Russell Automatic Car Washes series of how-to videos. Today we're going to show you how to pay for a wash. The machine will accept either cash, MasterCard, or Visa. To use a credit card, simply insert the card in the slot as shown, with the stripe up and to the left. Then select the wash that you want. Your card will be validated, then you will be asked if you want a receipt. If you do, press yes, and one will print for you. To use cash, insert bills into the bill slot, face up, as shown.
Please select your wash package now.
Select any further money that's required. The machine does also accept coins, either loonies or toonies, and they go in the top up here.
Please select your wash package now. Please select your wash package now.
Once you've inserted all your cash, you can select the wash you would like with these buttons right here. I'm going to pick a silver.
You have purchased the deluxe wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
If any change is required, it will now come out in the cup
Wash
here at the
is now
bottom.
ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
Now watch for the